Still December 31st, 2009.
You'll have to say that every time. It says it on there. Crazy.
Jennifer's complaining. And, anyway, the tent looks like that, not because it leaks. It does not leak. It's just we have a little teeny heater, and with that on there, the tent heats up way better. So we actually stay warm. Say hi, Jen.
I did.
Jennifer's finally smiling because we made it here.
Thank God. Look at the hiccups.
Oh, that was me.
You're awesome.
The sleeping bag's getting ready to go in the tent because
It's getting chilly now.
it's getting, sun's going down. It's starting to get chilly. A couple more hours, it'll be under 40 degrees. And won't be for the best camping. Staying warm. Jennifer, say something. What do you think about your New Year's?
I think it's a good New Year's. 2009 was the best year ever. Because I got married to you.
She's wearing my Chuck Norris shirt.
Mindy got it for you for Christmas.
My favorite one is Chuck Norris. Counted to infinity twice.
I like that one, and Chuck Norris can slam a revolving door.
And the shirt definitely doesn't show how big a boobs Jen has. But, oh well.
I got all sports bra and 3 shirts.
It's about close to 4 o'clock, 4:30. Getting close to 4:30. It's going to be dark within the next 45 minutes. Probably going to be sleeping by 8 o'clock.
Good New Year.
Yep. Oh well.
Party animals.
So, there that goes. We actually got neighbors over here somewhere camping. That's a trail that runs there. That's the trail we walked in on. And there's some neighbors camping over there. Sun looks cool. Jen's doing her boogie dance. That's how she dances in the clubs.
You know what?
Yeah. How do you dance in the clubs, Jen?
I don't know.